The wait is finally over, and the sky is about to witness a revolution that no one saw coming because the DJI Mini 6 Pro has arrived to redefine everything we thought we knew about sub-250-gram drones. For years, we've been told that size dictates power, that you can't have professional-grade optics in a frame that fits in the palm of your hand, and that true cinematic performance is reserved for the heavyweights. But DJI has just torn up the rulebook and set a new gold standard that makes every other drone on the market look like a relic of the past. If you think the jump from the Mini 3 to the Mini 4 was significant, prepare yourself because the Mini 6 Pro isn't just an incremental update. It is a fundamental shift in aerial technology that bridges the gap between hobbyist convenience and Hollywood-level production. We are talking about a sensor that defies the laws of physics, a transmission system that feels like it's beamed from the future, and an artificial intelligence brain that handles complex cinematic maneuvers with the grace of a seasoned film director. You might be wondering why the industry is in such a frenzy right now, and the answer lies in the bold engineering choices DJI has made to bypass the limitations of small-scale flight. This is the moment where the Mini tag stops being a category and starts being a threat to full-size professional rigs. Imagine being able to capture 8K raw footage from a device that doesn't even require FAA registration in most regions, a device that can track subjects through dense forests with the precision of a hawk, and a device that stays in the air longer than drones twice its weight. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is more than just a camera with wings. It is a declaration of independence for creators who refuse to be weighed down by gear, but refuse to compromise on quality. As we peel back the layers of these leaked specifications and real-world performance benchmarks, you'll realize that the competitive landscape has just been leveled. Every shot you've ever missed because your gear was too bulky or your battery was too low is now a thing of the past. We are entering an era where your only limit is your imagination, and the Mini 6 Pro is the key to unlocking a perspective that was once impossible to reach. Stay with me as we dive deep into the heart of this beast, exploring the revolutionary triple lens array that everyone is whispering about, the hidden thermal management systems that allow for high bitrate recording in extreme heat, and the secret O5 transmission protocol that promises a link so stable you'll feel like you're sitting in the cockpit. This is the ultimate breakdown of the drone that is currently haunting the dreams of every other manufacturer in the industry. Whether you're a professional cinematographer looking for a discreet B-cam or a travel enthusiast wanting to capture your adventures in breathtaking detail, the next 30 minutes will change the way you look at the sky forever.